Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super sleek and forward-thinking business laptop, the Lenovo ThinkBook 16 G7 QOY. Before we jump into the full review, make sure to check the link below to grab this laptop at the best available price. Rocket emoji, performance and efficiency. At the heart of this machine is the Snapdragon X Plus X1P-42-100, Qualcomm's latest SoC for Windows devices. This chip delivers ultra-fast performance while remaining incredibly power efficient, making it ideal for professionals on the go. Boot up is near instant, app switching is fluid, and with 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, multitasking feels completely seamless. Whether you are using Microsoft Office, Zoom, or Adobe Acrobat, everything runs cool and quiet. Floppy disk emoji, storage and speed. With a 512GB SSD, you're getting plenty of space and ultra-fast read/write speeds. Load times are minimal, and the system wakes from sleep in seconds, a major productivity booster if you're bouncing between meetings or traveling frequently. Desktop computer emoji, display and design. The 16-inch screen is a real standout here. It's sharp, vibrant, and color accurate, making it great not only for business but also for light creative work like photo editing or video calls. The 16:10 aspect ratio gives you more vertical screen real estate, perfect for spreadsheets and documents. Aesthetically, the Luna Gray aluminum chassis feels premium and durable. It's thin, lightweight, and ideal for slipping into a backpack or briefcase without added bulk. Closed lock with key emoji, business-ready features. As expected from a ThinkBook, Lenovo didn't skimp on the professional touches. Windows 11 Pro gives you enterprise-grade security and features. Biometric login via the fingerprint reader ensures quick and secure access. Long battery life, thanks to ARM efficiency, keeps you productive all day with minimal need for charging. High volume emoji, connectivity and audio. Despite being ultra-thin, Lenovo packed in a solid array of ports including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and a headphone jack. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E ensures blazing fast wireless connections. Audio is surprisingly clear and crisp, perfect for conference calls or casual streaming. White check mark emoji, final verdict. If you're a remote worker, business professional, or student looking for a future-ready Windows laptop that blends long battery life, modern performance, and premium design, the Lenovo ThinkBook 16 G7 with Snapdragon X Plus is a standout choice. High voltage sign emoji, pros. Fast, silent, and efficient ARM processor. Premium 16 display with 16:10 aspect ratio. Lightweight and durable design. Business ready with Windows 11 Pro. Excellent battery life. Hammer and wrench emoji, cons. Not ideal for heavy gaming or demanding creative software. Limited upgradability due to its ultra-thin design. Push pin emoji, don't forget to check the link below to get the best deal on the ThinkBook 16 G7 today. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights.